Are you tired of dealing with foam and air bubbles in your water-based coatings and inks during the production process? Look no further than Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer. Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer is a revolutionary product designed to prevent foam formation and eliminate existing foam in water-based coatings and inks. Its milky white liquid appearance contains a powerful polyether siloxane polymer that effectively controls foam and air bubbles, ensuring a smooth and flawless application process. With a 100% activity content and a specific gravity of 0.98, 1.08 G per milliliter at 20 degrees Celsius, Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer is dispersed in water, making it easy to integrate into your production process. This defoamer offers multiple defoaming mechanisms, providing excellent compatibility and foam control. It also enhances leveling, wettability, wear resistance, and slipperiness of the coatings and inks. Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer is compatible with a wide range of materials, including acrylic, epoxy resin, polyester, polyurethane, and polyethylene systems, making it a versatile solution for various applications. Whether you're working with water-based ink, embossed ink, or mesh ink, Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer is the perfect choice for achieving optimal performance and quality. When it comes to usage and dosage, Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer offers precise guidelines for different applications. For ink, a dosage of 0.05. 0.1% is recommended, while gravure printing may require 0.5% dosage. Say goodbye to foam and air bubbles in your water-based coatings and inks with Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer. Experience the difference in performance and quality with this exceptional defoaming solution. Choose Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer for superior foam control and impeccable results in your production process. Contact us today to learn more about how Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer can elevate your water-based coatings and inks. Hermkohl G-565 Defoamer, the ultimate solution for foam-free perfection.